one of the nice people that we've met recently is a gentleman from Dexter Chaney, and it's John Chaney. His name is on his shirt, which is good. Now, these people have come up with some software programs, and Lord knows we all carry either an iPad or a desktop or whatever you want to call it. iPhone,
yeah.
and we all have to have almost instant information.
Yeah.
Tell us about some of the products in your lineup.
Yeah, well, we've had a really great show this week, and part of the reasons we're launching two products, and the one you're referring to is our Spectrum version 14, which is we've had it for 30 years. Our whole company's 30 years old.
Okay.
And the big news is at the show we're launching it as a completely web-based product. So, which means that all you need to run it is a browser. So a Safari, IE,
right,
or Google Chrome or whatever.
Right.
If it can run a browser,
compatible to all of this.
It can run the software.
Okay.
And it automatically shrinks to the size of your screen. So if you're running it on an iPad, it just shrinks right to that level. If you're on a laptop, it shows off at that level. So anyway, the ease of use is really the main driver behind that.
So give us some ideas here on the scope of the application itself and what it is that you can give to contractors.
Yeah, it's a full construction ERP package. So all the things from the basic accounting, all your payroll, AP processing, through to job costs, which is critical for contractors.
Oh, absolutely.
And at this show particularly, we have a whole equipment management. So tracking all the equipment costing, utilization, maintenance records, all that is integrated into the package. And then with that, we have obviously the billing, purchasing, inventory management. So it's a full breadth package.
So if let's say a contractor's got a job, but he might be in different locations,
yeah,
and maybe have a lot of subs involved,
mm-hmm,
this is something that could be very interesting to his workplace.
Yes, yeah. The key when it's web-based, of course, is that it gives the open access. Now with security, so
absolutely.
You get to control, where they see and what they see in the product. But that's the driving force. Is it's just simple to use. They're used to using, when you're in a browser, you're used to going to Amazon or Google.
Sure.
And our product's been designed to take advantage of that. So we call it single click. So with one click, you can get to anywhere in the package. So we're excited about it. We've had a very good lot of activity at our booth this week.
Isn't it amazing the degree of technical innovations that are coming out in the last few years, and
yeah.
I wonder what it'll be in the next few.
That's right.
I'm sure you people are working on it constantly.
We are. Well, and actually, Roger, we did also mention that we have this other new product, which is called Venture, and it's a new whole area for us, and that has to do with the project documents, your plans and specs.
All right.
And the idea is that since we're in the web now, it's all the browser we were talking about, instead of sending out these specs via email,
mm-hmm,
which are huge documents, that doesn't work that well, as contractors know. The other option they have right now is they send them to an FTP site. Well, these FTP sites they're very hard to use. So Venture, which is our new product, that controls all that. You just drag and drop files up to it, they all get transferred automatically, and then the subs can be invited to look at those drawings and specs, and then the product automatically controls the versions and notifies them when those versions have changed.
And I suspect the contractor, the general overall, can limit or manipulate who has access to which documents.
Exactly.
That's wonderful.
Yeah.
That's really good.
And that helps the sub too.
Sure, it helps everybody.
Because these subcontractors now, they're going to these FTP sites and they see 325 drawings.
Right.
Which ones apply to me?
Right.
The general can set it up so when the sub goes into the site, oh, you're electrical, you see the electrical.
That's exactly right.
Yeah.
Well, it's a great idea. I'm sure you're working on other things as well, but just these two alone have got to be a great offering for the concrete industry.
Yeah.
And all the contractors, regardless of what they're doing and where they are and how they fit into the mix.
Yeah. No, both programs are really adapted for anybody in construction, and that is our specialty. That's all we sell to.
Okay.
Well,
it's Pleasure meeting you.
Nice
Glad
meeting
you
you,
took
Roger.
the time to come over and talk with us.
Yeah.
John Chaney from Dexter Chaney, and if you're interested, of course, you can get a hold of you on the web, I presume.
Oh, yes. Yeah. DexterandChaney.com.
.com.
That's our website.
And if you're at the show, they're right down the road from us, so to speak, in the Central Hall in the 4100 area. So stop by, say hello to these gentlemen. I'm sure they'll take care of you in every way, shape, and form. Anyways, we'll continue on here in just a couple of minutes with more from World of Concrete 2012.